Hello, my YouTube subscribers. How are you doing? And today is a wonderful day because today I'm releasing my new course, which is a complete guide to the Combine framework in iOS using Swift language. The Combine framework is a reactive framework which was released at WWDC 2019 by Apple. And this course is going to teach you everything you need to know about using Combine in your iOS applications. Now let's go ahead and go through this course. You're going to learn about publishers and subscribers, basically the building blocks of Combine. After that, you're going to learn about transformation operators, the filtering operators, combining operators, sequence operators. Then you're going to dive into Combine for networking, debugging Combine, and then even creating a weather application where you will even learn to use debounce so that you are not making requests every single time you type something in the keyboard. After that, you're going to jump into understanding the MVVM design pattern. I've also included a few sections on SwiftUI, which is SwiftUI basics and understanding state and binding. But obviously, if you're looking for a complete course on SwiftUI, I have a different course. I'll put the link in the description. After that, we are going to learn about Hacker News, which is using SwiftUI, Combine, and Web API. Now, this course is actually based on an amazing book by Ray Wenderlich, which I have credited right over here in the introduction, credit Combine by tutorials, and over here, the projects that we use Combine asynchronous. So also check out the book. I will have a link to the book also. Now, here's the deal. For 5 days, you can get this course for $9.99. The coupon is actually added. But if you ran out of that coupon or you are looking at this video later on because they're limited coupons, then you can get it with the full price, which is only $19.99, basically $20. So use the first coupon link first, which is $9.99. If you ran out of that, then use the second one. It will give you $19.99. All right. But do use the coupons. All right. Now, if you have any questions regarding the course, regarding the material, I will be adding new material to the course. And if you do have any questions, let me know. I really hope that you enjoy this course, and I can't really wait to see that how you are going to integrate the Combine framework into your UIKit applications and also your SwiftUI applications. So thank you so much and see you in the Combine course.